Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I apologise. I think I've been away for about 3 weeks. This video I'm filming, it's a makeup video. I did expect it to go up a day before Halloween, but don't know what happened, but it didn't. So 3 weeks later, I am posting this video. Actually, I'm filming it 3 weeks later as well, and the sirens. I've only just put my Christmas tree. It is a Sunday. Don't know what date it is, but I'm pretty sure it's like halfway through November. So yeah, uh, I am testing out the Simpsons X Revolution Treehouse of Horror palette. As soon as I seen that I was doing this, I knew I wanted it. A huge fan of The Simpsons, have been for so many years. I used to collect the videos on VCR when they first started doing them on VCR. So that's how long ago, and that's me showing my age. But yes, as soon as I seen this, I knew I had to buy it. I've got a eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. I have got a face palette. I haven't got any of the lips, but as I did say in my last video, it's the Matrix. I got a second lip kit, so I'll be testing out this as well. But I don't have high hopes because we all know my thoughts on what I thought about the lip kit I tested out in that video. So, yes, in the time from I posted my last video to now, I have discovered. Well, I haven't just discovered it. I knew it was about, but I've started to go Instagram lives to do some makeups on there. So if you like my makeup and you fancy popping along to my Instagram for my next lives, follow me over there. It is Rainbow Soul 17. I'll link it all here. And yeah, come over, say hello, and yeah, I've done 2 lives now, and I'm getting more confident. I don't know why I feel petrified doing an Instagram live or talking on Instagram stories. I mean, like YouTube, not a problem. But the moment it comes to like chatting on Instagram, yeah, I have a fear. So come over, share the love, get my courage up, and we can do more Instagram lives over there. So let's get into this one. It is called Treehouse of Horror, named after their Halloween horror themed episodes. Love them. Do love the packaging as well. And yes, I have already attempted to film this video, which was a fail. So I have already dipped into some of the shades, but that's it. Oh my god, just look at them. They are so pretty. This green. Wow. I'm liking this ready burnt orange rust colour, this pink, this blue, oh, this pink as well. Oh, that purple, that red, good. Oh yeah, so some of the shades are Clone, Uncanny, Caramel Cod, Broomstick, Undead. That colour is like really nice. That's Undead. So I don't know what look I'm going for at the moment, but I am actually going to go in with a face palette first because I need to get some bronzer and shading on my face. That's what it looks like out the box. And you have a bronzer, you have a blush, and a highlighter. So let's get my bronzing brush and see how pigmented it is. I love the imprints. So this one is Bart, this one is Lisa, and this one is Maggie. I need a mirror. I am loving that. That bronzer is really good. It's just like a matte bronzer, but yeah, I am loving it. I'm going to go in with the blush now. Oh, the bronzer was called Evil Twin, and the blush is called Brains, and the highlighter is called Cursed, and that's like a silver pink toned one. So I'm going to get my blush brush and see how well the blush is. So it's very subtle. Don't like on camera it looks subtle, but I can definitely see it in my mirror. So I really don't know what that is about. So very, very strange. And I apologise about the angles. I'm still like, I literally packed everything away to do a whole clean, but now I forgot how my camera sits. So, and now for the highlighter. This is Cursed. Not a fan of that, but let's see how well it sits on the skin. Barely see it. That's got so much layers, so many layers on you can just about see it. So I'm moving on. I don't recommend that highlighter. They did have some other highlighters, so maybe they are better. I don't know. But the bronzer and the blush, I like the. Do I like the bronzer? The blush. Okay, I like the bronzer. So I'm so excited to get stuck into this one. I really should have wore a different top. I'll just look like a floating head. Do I look like a floating head? Should have wore a darker t-shirt. So let's get stuck into it. I'm so excited. Don't know what look to go for. Should I go Christmassy as it's nearly Christmas? Sorry, I'm moving it down. Could I do a Christmas look? Is that a shimmer or a matte? I don't know. So what about blue and orange? Ooh, blue and orange. Shall we do blue and orange? So if I use the orange, I'll top it off with that one. Maybe. Okay then. So first, I'm going to take Bearded Lady, which is this blue one. Sorry about that. I just burped. So Bearded Lady. I'm liking that blue, but I really wanted to like make a proper look. So if I burgundy, blue and burgundy, really should have thought more about this. You know what? I'm just gonna carry on with the blue and orange, and then the lip ain't gonna match. If you want me to do a matchy video, then comment down below. So I'm liking that. I'm gonna fill the middle bits in with an orange. So I need a different brush. There we do. I don't know whether to go with the Grand Pumpkin or Stretch Dude. What do you think? I'm going to go with Stretch Dude, which is the darkest orange in there. Oh, that is bright. So now I want to smoke it out a bit, like blend it in. So I'm going to take Gremlin, which is a light blue, and see what I can do to blend it a bit. Ooh, what do you think about that? I'm liking it. Now I'm stuck for what colour to go underneath. Maybe I'd take the lighter orange. What do you think? Yeah, I'm going to take the lighter orange, which is called the Grand Pumpkin. Cool, I'm liking that. Done like a little wing thing. Don't know whether to try and add some green or purple, green or burgundy to try and match whichever lip I pick. Right, I'm gonna see if I can add. What lip am I gonna pick though? Let's get them out. I think green's gonna sit better, don't you think? I'm gonna go for green. So that means I'm gonna take a bit of green and pop it in the inner corner. The green I'm gonna use is broomstick, which is this bright green here. Is there a different green? No, so broomstick. I like it. Oh, the sun's going in. Yeah, so I'm liking that. Don't know which. Wow, the sun is really going in. Still looks bright, but I can barely see. Now, what shimmer am I going to use? Not much fallout. Impressive. So, oh, I might use that one actually on the lid. Or, not many shimmers in here actually. I really wanted a glitter. There's no glitters or shimmers. So I'm just going to go with Uncanny because that's like the most pretty shimmer in there. That's rubbish, isn't it? Uh, mm, yeah, I really don't like the shimmers in that. Some of the other shimmers are like, that's Uncanny that I used. Then you've got Magic Spell. You've got Full Moon. You've got Frankenstein. And Carousel Donut. No, that's not a shimmer. Yeah. Oh, I'm quite disappointed in that. I wanted a better look than this. I mean, I am liking it, but I always look forward to the shimmer and the glitter that I put on it. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with the mascara, and then I shall get back to you for the lip. So mascara is done. I'm liking it now a bit more now the mascara's on, but again, just disappointed on the shimmers. So the lipstick, did I decide on the green or the purple? Green. So got no high hopes to this, especially with the black set I had in the Matrix video. It smells of nothing. Got my scent back now. If you know that then you know. No, dry. Dry, patchy, not fun. Oh, yeah, I like the colour, but that's it. End of story. Um, yeah, the colour is nice. Oh, that brings it all together, don't you think? Sorry, I can't stop looking at myself. So, my thoughts. The palette. It is okay. The mattes are great. The shimmers are lacking. They really are. I know Revolution this is Revolution. Revolution have done some great glitters in the past, and I would have liked to see them in here, but unfortunately, I'm disappointed in that. The face palette, I am a bit disappointed. I mean, like, the only thing that I'd go back to in this is the bronzer. But yeah, the highlighter is barely there. The blush is there, but for some reason it's not picking up on camera. Can you see that I've actually got blush on? I don't know. Leave your thoughts down below. And the lips, you know what my thoughts are on the lips. I do like the colour, but that's where it stands. But overall look, I'm liking it. The orange though, I'm really liking the orange. But yes, that is the final product. What do you think? Yeah, so please sound off down below, and please go over to my Instagram, support me when I do Instagram lives again. I'm really enjoying them. But yes, sorry about the gap in between videos. I promise that I will try to not do it again. But yes, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you all in my next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.